Sauk Valley's Weather Authority. This is Sauk Valley Weather Today with meteorologist Andrew Stutzky.
Good Friday morning. We're starting our day off kind of on a noisy note as some showers and thunderstorms are moving through. A neat picture shared to us from Tom Tarner of a thunderstorm moving in on Wednesday night. Provided quite the lightning show, especially those of you in the southern half of Whiteside County before the storm began to dissipate as it moved into the northern part of the county, but still very photogenic. And thank you so much, Tom, for sharing that photo with us. Remind us you can send us your photos via our Facebook page here, also our mobile app too. Always neat to see some of those, so thanks again for sharing with us. This morning, again, a very noisy morning. We have a large cluster of showers and thunderstorms moving through, producing a lot of lightning and even some small hail up to dime size. Could be some winds a little bit on the gusty side too, beginning to move through. Some heavy rainfall and certainly some beneficial rainfall moving through with these too. We do need that rain. General movement is to the northeast, and again, some frequent lightning is expected. Most of us expected to see this shower and storm activity for much of the day today, especially this morning. May see another round yet this afternoon. But again, we do need that rain. It has been dry. We're in a bit of a dry patch once again for the year. It seems like it was a little wet last month, but we're still behind. We've picked up just a little bit over 9.5 inches of rain for the year since January 1st. Where we should be, though, for this time of year is we should be close to 13.5. So we still have a deficit working towards that 4-inch mark, and I think we'll make up a little bit of that today, especially this morning with some of these heavy rainfall producing storms moving through. But still, we could use some rain, and thankfully this active pattern is going to stick around, giving us more rain chances throughout the next week, it looks like. Still getting a little bit uncomfortable. You've probably kicked on the AC by now, and if you haven't, you'll likely do that by this weekend. Notice those dew point levels continuing to creep up as we go on throughout the day, especially getting into early next week. On Monday, looks like it could be rather soupy around here, and that could actually fuel some active thunderstorms. That's something we're certainly going to be watching. Your severe risk for today is rather low in all categories. Could see some hail up to 1 inch with some of the locally stronger storms, some gusty winds, and could also see a little bit of heavy rain. However, we're not expecting much in flooding because we're dry. I think the ground is able to handle whatever rainfall does fall for today. Temperatures, especially if we get a break in this activity for this afternoon, which I think we will, we'll get well into the 80s, could even see some upper 80s once again. This is a little bit of a tricky forecast with this pattern, so don't be surprised to see several degrees higher than this. We did get close to 90 yesterday, and we could do that again, especially if we are void of storms for this afternoon. Nonetheless, it will remain warm into the upcoming weekend. We have storm chances scattered throughout, but it's not going to be raining every single hour of the day. There will be several dry hours. Again, we're going to be watching this Monday, Tuesday time frame. Notice it gets significantly warmer Monday afternoon. That combined with an upper level disturbance and a little bit of a stronger jet, something we haven't seen in a while, could fuel a very active round of storms. Again, we're going to continue to watch that. That will transition into some storms in the morning on Tuesday. A little bit of a break before it does appear this pattern, this active ring of fire pattern, could reload itself for late next week. Again, we'll keep tabs on those storm chances as we go along, and if anything strong does look like it's going to be in the forecast, we'll certainly be the first to let you know. Enjoy your weekend.